Welcome to this TripleTron LeadsLeap Master Class bonus training. Today we are talking about one thing, how someone could build toward a 4 to 5 figure monthly income with LeadsLeap, not hype, not fantasy, not push-button income. We are going to talk about the numbers, the plan, and what has to happen for that type of income to become possible. LeadsLeap offers a free membership and a pro membership. The LeadsLeap site lists the pro membership at $27 per month, with pro members receiving more advertising exposure and advanced tools such as unlimited lists, pages, pop-ups, email series, and other features. The major income angle many affiliates focus on is the recurring commission from people who join through their referral link and upgrade to Pro, using the commonly discussed example of a $27 monthly Pro membership and a 50% Pro affiliate commission. That would equal about $13.50 per upgraded referral per month. Again, always verify the current commission details inside your own LeadsLeap account before presenting the numbers, because program terms can change. Now let's look at the income math. If each active upgraded referral is worth about $13.50 per month, then the numbers look like this. To earn about $500 per month, you would need around 38 active upgraded referrals. To earn about $1,000 per month, you would need around 75 active upgraded referrals. To earn about $2,500 per month, you would need around 186 active upgraded referrals. To earn about $5,000 per month, you would need around 371 active upgraded referrals. To earn about $10,000 per month, you would need around 741 active upgraded referrals. That is the math, and the math tells the truth. A 4 to 5 figure monthly income does not happen from posting one link a few times. It requires volume. It requires consistency. It requires a system. It requires people joining, upgrading, and staying active. Now let's talk about how someone can realistically build toward those numbers. The first target should not be 741 people. The first target should be 10 upgraded referrals. At $13.50 per month, 10 active upgraded referrals would be about $135 per month. That may not sound huge, but it proves the process has started. The next target is 25 upgraded referrals. That would be about $337.50 per month. Then 50 upgraded referrals. That would be about $675 per month. Then 75 upgraded referrals. That would be about $1,012.50 per month. That is where the 4-figure monthly income begins. So the first serious goal is this: get to 75 active upgraded referrals. Not all at once, step by step. Now, how do you get there? You need a simple daily production plan. The daily goal is not just to make money. The daily goal is to generate conversations, leads, and exposure. Here is the basic path. You promote a capture page. People join your list. Your follow-up explains LeadsLeap. Your training shows them how to use it. Your call to action invites them to join or upgrade. Some people will ignore it. Some people will join free. Some people will upgrade. Some people will upgrade later. Some people will cancel. That is normal. The business grows by keeping the pipeline active. Now let's talk about numbers. Suppose you want 75 active upgraded referrals. You may need far more than 75 leads to get there. For example, if 5% of your leads eventually upgrade, then to get 75 upgraded referrals, you would need about 1,500 leads. If 10% upgrade, you would need about 750 leads. If 2% upgrade, you would need about 3,750 leads. That is why list building matters. You do not build serious monthly income by only chasing signups. You build it by building an audience, following up, and giving people reasons to take the next step. Now let's break this into a simple 90-day plan. For the first 30 days, your target is exposure and leads. Your goal is to promote every day, get your message seen, get people onto your list, introduce LeadsLeap, track your numbers. A good first 30-day target could be 300 to 500 visitors, 50 to 100 leads, 1 to 5 upgraded referrals. That is not guaranteed. It is just a working target. For the second 30 days, your target is improvement. You improve the headline, You improve the follow-up, you improve the call to action, you improve your traffic source, you improve your content. A good second 30-day target could be 500 to 1,000 visitors, 100 to 250 leads, 5 to 15 total upgraded referrals. Again, not guaranteed, just a target to work toward. For the third 30 days, your target is scaling what works. You keep the traffic source that performs best. You create more content. You send more follow-up. You help your referrals understand the value of pro. You keep building the list. A good 90-day target could be 1,500 to 3,000 visitors, 300 to 750 leads, 10 to 30 upgraded referrals. Some people may do more, some may do less. The point is to have a plan. Now let's talk about what it takes to reach 4 figures. To reach around $1,000 per month, your target is about 75 active upgraded referrals. That could happen several ways. You could get there by generating leads consistently. You could get there by creating YouTube videos that rank over time. You could get there by building a Facebook audience. You could get there by using LeadsLeap traffic tools. You could get there by using paid ads carefully. You could get there by building a team that duplicates the system. But no matter the method, the core is the same. Traffic, leads, follow-up, upgrade conversion, retention. Now let's talk about 5 figures. To reach around $10,000 per month using the same $13.50 example, you would need around 741 active upgraded referrals. That is not a small goal. That is a serious business target. To build toward that, you would need more than casual posting. You would need daily traffic. You would need content. You would need a list. You would need strong follow-up. You would need onboarding. You would need consistent promotion. You would need tracking. You would need retention. You may need multiple traffic sources. You may need a YouTube channel. You may need a blog. You may need paid traffic once you understand your numbers. You may need a team building system. You may need to help other people succeed with the tools. That is the truth. 5 figures is possible only if the numbers support it. So do not chase the income first. Build the machine that can create the income. Now let's talk about the most important part, retention. Recurring income only stays recurring if people stay active. If someone upgrades and cancels the next month, that income does not compound. So your goal is not just to get upgrades. Your goal is to help people understand why staying active matters. That means you should show them how LeadsLeap can help them advertise, how it can help them build a list, how it can help them track links, how it can help them create pages, how it can support their own marketing. LeadsLeap states that free members get access to tools such as traffic, autoresponder, page builder, pop-up creator, and link tracker, while pro members get expanded access and more advertising exposure. The better people understand the value, the more likely they are to use the tools. The more they use the tools, the more likely they are to stay. That is why support and training matter. Now here is the clean action plan. Step 1. Set your first income milestone. Do not start with $10,000. Start with $135 per month. That is about 10 active upgraded referrals. Then aim for $337.50. Then $675. Then $1,000. Step 2, set your lead goal. If you want 10 upgraded referrals and you estimate a 5% upgrade rate, you need about 200 leads. If you want 75 upgraded referrals at a 5% upgrade rate, you need about 1,500 leads. Step 3, set your daily traffic goal. For example, 25 visitors per day equals about 750 visitors per month. 50 visitors per day equals about 1,500 visitors per month. 100 visitors per day equals about 3,000 visitors per month. Step 4, track your conversion. Watch how many visitors become leads. Watch how many leads join LeadsLeap. Watch how many LeadsLeap members upgrade. Watch how many stay active. Step 5, improve the weakest number. If traffic is low, increase exposure. If leads are low, improve the capture page. If upgrades are low, improve follow-up and training. If retention is low, improve onboarding and support. That is how you build toward higher income. Now let's make this very plain. A person who wants 4 to 5 figure monthly income with LeadsLeap should be asking these questions every week. How many visitors did I send? How many leads did I capture? How many people joined LeadsLeap? How many upgraded? How many stayed active? What can I improve next? Those are business questions, not hype questions, not hope questions, business questions. Now, here is the final message. Can someone build a 4 to 5 figure monthly income with LeadsLeap? The math says it is possible if enough people join, upgrade, and stay active. But possible does not mean guaranteed. It takes consistent traffic. It takes lead generation. It takes follow-up. It takes training. It takes retention. It takes time. It takes improvement. So the real question is not, can LeadsLeap make me money? The real question is, can I build a marketing system that brings people to LeadsLeap consistently and helps them understand why the tools are valuable? That is the mindset. That is the plan. That is how you approach this like a business. Your action step is simple. Write down your first milestone. Choose one. 10 upgraded referrals, 25 upgraded referrals, 50 upgraded referrals, 75 upgraded referrals. Then write down how many leads you need, how many visitors you need, what traffic source you will use, how often you will promote, how you will follow up, how you will help people understand the value. Then work the plan, track the numbers, improve every week, and build toward the next milestone. That is how you give yourself a real chance to build a 4 to 5 figure monthly income with LeadsLeap.